guys, my name is Faith Aidamoisa and welcome back to my channel Beauty by Shefira. Here I talk about beauty, lifestyle and everything nice. And in today's video guys, I'm going to be trying out a new palette, and as you can see, it's a brandless palette and it's highly pigmented. So I bought this palette because I wanted to try out a palette of pigmented colors. I used to have one of these. You must have seen these neon pigments before, but I found out that they give me really cakey effects and they are really very difficult to blend out. So that's why I decided to get this, and I'm hoping that I get the kind of results that I want from these pigmented colors. So for starters guys, I'm going to be applying the colors on my hand so you can see how pigmented they are actually. You can see guys, they are really pigmented colors, and I really hope, like I said earlier, that I get the required results that I want from this pigment. Keep watching guys. So guys, I really want to try out a really colorful cut crease or something close to that. So watch me do this guys. So guys, this is the final look for this makeup video. Thank you so much guys for watching till this part. Before I go, I would like to comment on this palette, and I would like to say that I really love how pigmented the colors are, and they are very easy to blend compared to the neon pigments that I used to use before now that I showed you guys earlier. I really love this one. There aren't so many fallouts as compared to the other one, and this one is quite easy to blend. Again guys, thank you for watching to this part of this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please join my community by hitting the subscribe button down below. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you for always coming back to support your girl. I am so appreciative of your love and support guys. Also, do not forget to like this video, comment, share with me in the comment section what you think about this look, what you think about this palette, and what other videos you would like to see on my channel. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.